try guys. So from the very start, I never began this journey alone at King's King because I knew that God's presence has guided me every step of the way. Today, I am overwhelmed with gratitude as His King prepares to step into bigger dreams with a team that truly believes in our vision. Special thanks to B1J Corporation for trusting my dream and for embracing Hibiskin under your wing. Let's continue to soar together to achieve this great success. Claire, I wouldn't do this and hindi tayo aabot sa ganito wala. Thank you for working hand in hand with me and turning impossible to possible. To my partners who believed in me, I want you to know that I will do my very best to turn your trust in results, and I will make you proud. To all the pioneer distributors, thank you so much for choosing to be part of this journey. Your faith keeps me motivated, and I promise to work hard to ensure that the stocks will be fast moving. To my family and friends, your unwavering support and encouragement has been my backbone. To my partner Jake, though you may not be physically present, your love, support, and belief in me is the main reason I keep pushing forward. You and Theo is the heart of everything I do. Hibiskin is just beginning. Our pipeline is filled with gold, innovative, premium, yet affordable products designed to benefit our daily routines. We have so much more coming, and I promise to keep pushing boundaries to bring the best products ever. To my colleagues, Ms. Pao, thank you so much for pouring your passion and effort into making this event possible. Your dedication inspire me every day. Remember, we are just at the beginning. In this journey, we are all part of one big family, the Hibiskin family. Together, we will grow, innovate, and succeed beyond our wildest dreams. With faith, love, and unity, let's rise together hand in hand to bring a brighter future together. Thank you.
Right. So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm honestly so grateful to see all of you here today. It means so much for us to be surrounded by the people who've been with us, our partners, clients, friends, and family. To our business partners, thank you for believing in what we've built and choosing to grow with us. So sa mga distributors po natin dyan, we won't let you down. So to our friends and loyal supporters, you've been with us in our earliest days, and your trust has helped Hibiskin grow into what it is today. To my ever-supportive family, my son, who's not here, but my brothers, Kevin, especially my kuya, Bruce, who is also our partner in this Anduwa. So, thank you, Kuya, for being my strength and for always showing up for me. No matter what, your faith in me has meant everything. And most of all, to the visionary behind PBC, my good friend, Penelope. From the late nights to the big dreams, your dedication and heart have shaped this brand into something truly meaningful. So I'm beyond grateful to be walking alongside you. So Hebe Skin is more than a brand. It's a reflection of who we are. It's about empowering others, celebrating authenticity, and creating products that make people feel seen and confident in their own skin. Thank you once again for being part of this milestone. We're just getting started, and we can't wait to grow and glow with all of you. Cheers to new beginnings and beautiful possibilities. Thank you.